Hey everybody, we're going to show you another cool feature on the Niimbot app. I don't have a printer in front of me because we're not going to do printing. We're just going to show something really cool in the app. So I've got the app open. I'm just going to pick a label here. Let's do this label here. And I'm going to delete that. Hang on here. I can't see with my glasses. Let's go and do that and delete. Now we're going to add an element, and we'll go over here, and this is called image recognition. So I'm going to take a business card in this case, take the picture of it. It kind of messed that up. Let's do that again. I'm not too thrilled with that picture. Let me try to get my thumb out of it better and a little further away. Alright, well, you get the idea. And now it's going to do OCR. It's going to recognize everything on it. Now, I should have actually made it smaller. Let's see what it does. There. Let's see if you can see that right there. It got it. It didn't get the spaces, but I can correct that in here if I want to. I don't know if it got line breaks or not. I'm going to put some line breaks in here just in case. Return. Alright, you get the idea. I don't need to put line breaks. So let's hit done there. And let's click on save. And confirm insert. There we go. There it is. I'll put it right in the label. We need to downsize it a little bit. And OCR. Pretty cool. So we're going to do more tidbits from time to time. We could print the label. Obviously, I don't have a label in here, but this is a pretty good idea of using OCR. You could have your old label up there. You could scan that label and put it in, but this sure made it easy. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it.